Welcome you to JD's English Club. Daily use English Odia sentences. First sentence. ମୁଁ ମୋର ଜିନିଷପତ୍ର ହଜାଇଦେଲି. I lost my baggage. I lost my baggage. ତୁରନ୍ତ ପ୍ରସ୍ତୁତ ହୋଇଯାଅ. Get ready immediately. Get ready immediately. ଏବେ ନା ପରେ? Now or later? Now or later? जल्दी काहेकि? What's the rush? What's the rush? ଦୟାକରି ଏହାକୁ ପୂରଣ କରନ୍ତୁ. Please fill it. Please fill it. बहुत समय अछि. There is a lot of time. There is a lot of time. ମୁଁ ଜାଣେ ତୁମେ କେଉଁଠାରେ ରୁହ. I know where you live. I know where you live. ମୁଁ ସକାଳୁ ଖେଳୁଛି. I have been playing since morning. I have been playing since morning. ମୁଁ କିପରି ଜାଣିବି? How do I know? How do I know? ଆପଣ ଏହା ବିଷୟରେ କେବେ ଭାବିଛନ୍ତି କି? Have you ever thought about it? Have you ever thought about it? ଆଜିକାଲି ଜୀବନ ବହୁତ ବ୍ୟସ୍ତ. Life is very busy nowadays. Life is very busy nowadays. ଆମେ ସେଠାକୁ ଯାଇଥିଲୁ. We went there. We went there. କିଏ ଯିବ? Who will go? Who will go? ସେ ଘରେ ରହିବାକୁ ପସନ୍ଦ କରେ. He likes to stay at home. He likes to stay at home. ତୁମେ ଏହି ଲ୍ୟାପଟପ୍ ରଖ. You keep this laptop. You keep this laptop. ପରବର୍ତ୍ତୀ ବିଷୟ କ'ଣ ଥିଲା? What was the next topic? What was the next topic? ଆପଣ ଯାହା ସବୁ କହିଥିଲେ ତାହା ଭୁଲ ଥିଲା. Everything you said was wrong. Everything you said was wrong. ଆପଣଙ୍କର କେଉଁ ରଙ୍ଗ ପସନ୍ଦ? What is your favorite color? What is your favorite color? ଆଜି ରାତିରେ ଆପଣ ଖାଲି ଅଛନ୍ତି କି? Are you free tonight? Are you free tonight? ସେଠି ଗୋଟେ ଗଛ ଅଛି. There is a tree. There is a tree. ପାଣି ନାହିଁ. There is no water. There is no water. ମୁଁ ଲେଖିବି. I will write. I will write. ହେଇ ନିଅନ୍ତୁ ଟଙ୍କା. Here is the money. Here is the money. ମୋତେ 10 କିଲୋ ଚାଉଳ ଦିଅ. Give me 10 kilos of rice. Give me 10 kilos of rice. ମୁଁ ଘରେ ରହିବି. I will stay at home. I will stay at home. ତୁମେ କେଉଁଠି ଥିଲ? Where were you? Where were you? ତୁମକୁ ଏହି ଘର ଛାଡ଼ିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ. You have to leave this house. You have to leave this house. ଏହି ପକ୍ଷୀର ନାମ କ'ଣ? What is the name of this bird? What is the name of this bird? ସେ ପହଁରି ପାରନ୍ତି ନାହିଁ। He cannot swim. He cannot swim. ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦୁଇଥର ଦେଖିଛି। I have seen her twice. I have seen her twice. ଏହା ମୋ ପାଇଁ କଠିନ ଥିଲା। It was tough for me. It was tough for me. ଏହି ଟଙ୍କା ଅଟୋ ଡ୍ରାଇଭରକୁ ଦେଇଦିଅ। Give this money to the auto driver. Give this money to the auto driver. ମୁଁ ଏହା ଜାଣିଛି। I know it. I know it. ସେ ଶକ୍ତିଶାଳୀ। He is powerful. He is powerful. ମୋର ଦୁଇଟା ଯାକ ପସନ୍ଦ। I like both. I like both. ମୁଁ ଆସିବି। I will come. I will come. କେହି ଆସିଲେ ନାହିଁ। Nobody came. Nobody came. ଆମ ସହିତ ଆସ। Come with us. Come with us. ତୁମେ ଥକି ଯାଇଛ କି? Are you tired? Are you tired? That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like the video if you find it helpful and subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed it. Thank you and take care.